Hey everyone, welcome back to Measuremix, or if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY watermelon rope rug for you, so stick around. Alright guys, so what you will need for this project is a rope rug, and I made this. You probably have seen tutorials on Pinterest or on YouTube on how to make a rope rug. I will link down below on the tutorial that I used to make mine. But anyways, it was just sitting around and I didn't know exactly what I was going to do with it. But if you've seen my last video, the $5 Goodwill challenge that I just did, I wanted to paint the picnic basket that I hauled from Goodwill as a watermelon, but that did not turn out because the picnic basket was vintage and I didn't want to paint it. So I thought this would be a great idea to paint this rug like a watermelon. So I have my rug here. I have some green paint, some red paint, and some black and white acrylic paint. And then I have some paintbrushes or foam paintbrushes, and then some painter's tape just in case I need to tape off where I want to paint at. But let's go ahead and get started. Now I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to paint the black seeds on it. So I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back, and now I'm going to attempt to paint some seeds onto the red part of this rug. Alright, so I really love how this watermelon rope rug turned out. I have it in front of my sink in the kitchen right now. I could spray it with some protective spray maybe later on to put it outside if I want to. But for now, I'm going to leave it here in my kitchen, and it's going to brighten it up. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit the bell if you don't want to miss out on any new videos. And I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.